I'm Samantha Sanavaratna. I'm a cookbook author and food stylist, and I love to bake for family. This saffron and chocolate tea cake is a perfect afternoon snack. When I was little and we would travel back to Sri Lanka, I would spend a lot of time with my grandmother in her kitchen, kind of learn by miming. And then I would set up a little fire outside on the veranda and set up little clay pots and cook a mini meal, sort of a replication of her meal. And then when I came back to the States, my mom and I would cook a lot together. And she wouldn't let me get an easy bake oven. And she said, you have to bake in the real oven. There's no need for a little oven. So I started baking in the real oven when I was really little. It was great. The only way to be the best you is to trust yourself, because if you don't believe in what you're doing, if you don't believe that you have a say and a right to say what you think, then no one else is ever going to believe you, and nothing you do is going to make you happy. On my 5th birthday, my brother set up a little tape recorder and we did a little interview. And he asked me what I wanted to be when I grew up, and I said a baker and a librarian. And I was right. I can't believe I was right. My brother definitely had a very specific, whimsical way of looking at the world. He really saw magic everywhere and saw beautiful things and the special bits of life. He really was able to pull those out and find joy in them. Now that he's not here, I feel like it's my responsibility to teach that to my son, because that's what he would have done if he were here. He just always found the beauty, and so now I do that for Arthur.